Guess what I'm talking about now? Oops, sorry. Yes, I'm a mess. And it's because I have a face mask on. I cannot get this. Okay, there we go. So it's because I have a face mask on. All Posh face masks are rinsable. You put them on for 5 to 20 minutes, depending on which one you're using. And we do have one that you put on overnight, and then you rinse it in the morning. So anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, please don't overdo it. Whatever it says on the back of the bottle on the instructions is what you should do. As you become more accustomed to the masks, you can expand your time out a little bit, but when you're first starting, if you're a mask virgin, I highly recommend that you follow the instructions on the back, okay? Because when we do masks, a lot of them will stimulate the pores. Whatever it is that your complexion is requiring will determine which mask you choose. And it's going to stimulate the pores. It's going to cause a little bit of redness when you rinse it off. So always after you mask, you want to make sure that you hydrate with some sort of facial moisturizer. So at Posh, we have a set of off masks, which are going to take out something that we don't want. And then we have on masks, which are good hydrating masks that will put on all of the good things back into your skin. You can actually use these together. So if you got an off mask and an on mask, after I rinse this one off, then I could use this for another 5 or 10 minutes and put all the good things back in. Otherwise, some people even like to multi-mask. So you may put Calling All Fairies in your T-zone if you're oily, and then you may put All I've Ever Wanted on your cheeks if it's dry out in here, and you could use them at the same time. Bam, 5 or 10 minutes, you're done. You've taken a few minutes to pamper yourself because you deserve it. So we have multi types of masks. The one that I have on now is called Cackle Spackle. It's a detoxing charcoal mask. We have a red clay and volcanic ash exfoliating mask. We have a pineapple pick-me-up. This is similar to your chemical peels that you would go to the doctor for, only we use tropical fruit enzymes to do the same job. We have a I'm Turning Blueberry for Violet. I love this one. And it has little ground up blueberries in it. It's very hydrating. And then we have an overnight mask, which you can see is a lot bigger because you're going to use more of it. It goes on like a moisturizer. You leave it on overnight and the apricots do their thing all night long and you have beautiful hydrated skin in the morning when you wake up and you rinse it off when you get in the shower. I recommend when you put your mask on that you use a makeup brush. It helps it go on more even and you use less product, okay? You can use your fingers. There's nothing wrong with that, but I like it's a little cleaner too if you use a brush. Always when you take your mask off, make sure you use a moisturizer. I think I said that. And if you're lucky enough to get involved in one of our specials, which happens at least once a month, sometimes twice. So if you'll go over to my Facebook page, you'll be informed of when these happen. You can get some cool products like Shake Your Shamrocks. It has gold and peridot and caffeine in it. So this is a tightening and brightening mask for a little bit of aging. And it is literally gold. Check that out. But this was only available in February before St. Patrick's Day hit, and then so each month we do something that's kind of exclusive like this that you can get your hands on, because I know after you start using Posh you're going to be addicted. So that's our face masks for you. Please let me know what questions you have.